Every February, somewhere in America, an operations director is rebuilding their OSHA 300A from spreadsheets and emails. They have until March 2nd to submit it electronically. The penalty for getting it wrong is up to $16,000 per violation. If you run multi-site operations, you know this pain. Let me show you what this should look like instead. When a supervisor logs an incident on the floor, the system classifies it automatically under OSHA 1904 logic. Was prescription medication required? Recordable. Are there days away from work? Recordable. Days restricted? Recordable. The supervisor doesn't have to be an OSHA expert. The system makes the call. The EHS manager gets notified within seconds. The case moves through investigation, corrective action, and closure, with the full audit trail captured. No paper forms, no email chains, no spreadsheets to reconcile later. Every incident across every location in one place. The operations dashboard updates in real time. Recordable incidents, days away, days restricted, distribution by incident type, by location, trends over time, all reading from the same record the supervisor created on the floor. The CEO sees what the EHS manager sees. The plant manager sees their location. One record, multiple views, zero reconciliation. And when someone asks why your TRIR is trending up, you have the answer in seconds, not in a week of spreadsheet archaeology. The OSHA Compliance Tracker holds the 3 deadlines OSHA gives you every year. The 300 log finalized by January 31. The 300A posted by February 1. The electronic submission to OSHA by March 2. 3 deadlines, 3 chances to slip. The 300A isn't built by anyone in February. It's built continuously, one incident at a time throughout the year. By the time the deadline arrives, the form is ready, the summary is accurate, the data is current, the work already happened, in the background, while the operation kept running. That's how OSHA record-keeping should work in 2026. Not rebuilt in February, not reconstructed from spreadsheets, continuously generated from the work that's already happening on the floor. If you're still managing OSHA the old way, and you're running operations where errors carry real penalties, book a 25-minute walkthrough at the link below. No sales call, no qualification form, just the system and your questions. This is built by Kobu.